What's good, folks? That's right, you see him. I got my nephew with me. You done already read that title. You know, seen that thumbnail. Hey, listen, today we just gonna show you guys just how easy it is to make. Listen, what we making?
Taquitos.
Let's get it.
Nice and easy.
Okay, so I want you guys to come in here and take a look at this right here. Look, not a whole lot of ingredients. When I say super easy, you know, appetizer, that's what I mean. Look, refried beans, we got our dry ingredients, we got cheese, we got 90-10, look at that, good fresh ground beef, and then we got some mystery right there. Ain't nothing about no mystery. You know, if you guys been following me for a minute, you know that the full ingredient list will be down in the description box below.
And it's come together in about 30 minutes or less, so you got a quick 30-minute appetizer,
yes.
Super good. I'm gonna go ahead and get this fired up and get this ground beef in the skillet.
All right.
We'll get to cooking.
So look, while you do that, I'm gonna go ahead and just mix this mayo and this sour cream up, right? You know, just start getting ready for the dip.
There we go. So I like to break up the ground beef a little bit with my hands just to kind of cheat, get the process started a little bit. I like that you're using 90-10 for the taquitos too.
Right.
That way it's not too greasy.
Right.
Nice and lean.
Hey, a little bit less work, you know, with the drainage.
Right.
A
little healthier.
Maybe that's the spin I should have said.
Right.
A little healthier. Right.
All right, so we're just gonna use our tools here to kind of break up the ground beef.
Hey, just so you know, man, look, some of my subscribers saw me, you know, using metal and doing all kinds of stuff. So they sent me those right here. Look, I got about 10 of them.
I need my subscribers to send me some stuff. All right, so now that we got the ground beef broken up into small pieces, it's time to put some flavor in here. What seasoning blend do you have here?
You know, this is like the traditional, you know, like almost like a taco seasoning, right?
Right.
Look, we got onion, garlic, paprika, and chili powder.
Nice. So we're gonna go ahead and add that to the party. Get some flavor in there on our ground beef.
Nice.
This is the perfect meal right now too, because we're hungry. This is gonna come together in about 30 minutes, probably less, really.
Hey, you know, one of the things I should have said is, listen, when you're making this meal, look, you want to preheat your oven because we're going to do these. You can deep fry these also. A lot of people do, but if you want to like just low maintenance, do something, get it out the way, just stick it in the oven and let the oven work.
A little bit healthier in the oven too.
Oh, that is true, right. So 400 degrees on the preheat. Now I want you guys to take a look at this right here. Look, I just put mayo, sour cream, right? Look, these little packages right here, check this out. This that hickory bacon, you know, dip. We gonna use this. I got it. It's not a Spanish type dip, but this right here is gonna be fire, folks. Trust me when I tell you.
That seasoning blend is smelling good.
Yes, it is.
All right, so we got our ground beef seasoned up here. Now we need to add a little salt and pepper. If you'll pass me the salt, I'll handle that. You can do the pepper. No pun intended.
That's right, Mike.
Little kosher salt. Season to taste. We're gonna taste this, make sure we got it down packed. Shouldn't need a whole lot. I'll let you do the honors on the fresh cracked black pepper.
All right, so everybody that follows me know how I like to, use this black pepper, right?
It's so much better when it's fresh.
Oh, man. And I like the fact that when you put the heat on it, it gives it a little bit of a different taste to it, you know?
Right.
It's not the same like when you put it on eggs.
All right, so as you can see, this nice lean ground beef, there's no residual fat in the pan, which is nice. We don't have to strain anything off. You always want to taste as you go, so I'm gonna get in there and give it a taste test. Good. So you don't have to, over salt it. You want to add the salt towards the end like we did. And then you want to allow this to cool down. We're going to add it to the mixing bowl with the other ingredients.
But I want you to taste this when you get done.
I'm always down to taste test.
Tell me what you think about that.
What's in that again?
Man, it's like hickory, some bacon. Man, it's fire.
Yeah.
This right here is, these. I think a lot of people sleep on these, and I don't really like put them on my channel, all the time so that everybody can, I don't want everybody to say like I'm pushing all the products, right? But look, when somebody got something that's fire, I just like to expose everybody. And they cheap.
Yep.
You know
and
what
it's quick and easy.
Yes, sir. Okay, so look, nephew, I went ahead and just put these, look, it's kind of like drying out a little bit, but this was a damp, napkin, and put the tortillas in there. And guess what, folks? I did cheat it a little bit. Yes, I did put it in the microwave.
Nothing wrong with that.
Hey,
you want them nice and soft so you can roll them up.
So these are nice.
All
hey,
right.
You know what this reminds me of? The old school taco. You know what I'm saying? What happened
to go for one of those right now.
Oh, man, me too. Hey, well, this ain't nothing but a taco rolled up, you know what I mean? All right, so look, let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and just put some of this refried bean in here like this.
About a cup or so, right?
Yeah, man, that's enough right there.
You want the ground beef to cool a bit, but you still want it to be warm enough so everything can kind of incorporate. So you want to evenly distribute the refried beans in there. Uncle AB's gonna help me out with that cheese.
Thank you, nephew.
Can't go wrong with ground beef and cheese.
No, you can't.
Got the refried beans here, got a delicious dip. And it's all gonna be done in about 30 minutes or less.
Hey, so look, if it was me, why we don't have onions?
Yeah, that's what I was.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Just make it truly like the old school. I don't know, something about me wanting to keep calling it the ghetto taco. Cause that, you know what, my mama used to just make the tacos and she it was just meat. For me, I like meat, cheese, and a little bit of ketchup.
Ketchup on the taco?
Yeah, that's it. No tomato, no nothing. But that right there? Yeah, go ahead.
Why the hell not?
Why not? You can't never have too much cheese.
I agree.
Unless you at my house and I'm trying to make a grilled cheese sandwich.
We're here for a good time, not a long time.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, so we got all of that mixed in. Now it's time to roll these taquitos up and get them in the oven. It's time to roll these up. About 2 tablespoons or so of filling can fit in here. Have a rolling contest.
Hey, but check it out. Look, I got a little pro tip for you. See, I kind of like flattened it out just a little bit. That way, when we put it down, you know what I mean, it'll stay without trying to like push back.
Got it.
I see you always trying to outdo me, homie.
Hey, I don't try.
Hey, it's all good, nephew.
I know I can roll better than that for sure.
Hey, I give you that one. Hey, I promise you, I got nothing else for you. I'm gonna give you that one. Look like you got them spaced out just right. Now we want to go ahead, yeah, you know what to do.
Just give them a little elbow room, give them some breathing room so they can get nice and crispy. We brush them with a little olive oil and pop them in a 400-degree oven, like this little silicone brush you got. You got all the gadgets.
Oh yeah, you gotta have it. Hey, make the cooking much, much easier.
That's what it's all about, nice and easy. And this recipe doesn't get much easier.
Right. Now look, we're not gonna bore you guys. We're gonna go ahead and just coat the rest of these. And don't forget, we're gonna put these in the oven at 400 degrees. We're gonna put them in there for what, about 15, 20 minutes, right?
Yep, so they get golden brown, crispy.
Right. Oh, but you know what? Look, I'm gonna say it at about 7.5 to 8 minutes. Once you start seeing them brown, you wanna take them and then flip them over. Let's go ahead and get down. Ah, yeah.
That's not going to waste.
Hey, don't trip. I think that dip gonna be everything. Ooh, I heard the crunch too. I heard it.
Nice and easy, comes together quick. Yeah, that dip is good. I eat that with some tortilla chips.
Hey, the thing is, you know, look, you see I'm set up, right? I'm used to hitting it again.
You flip it to the other side, it doesn't count as double dipping.
No, that's true. Hold on, y'all. Hey, this is another banger right here, folks.
Can't go wrong with this. Nice, quick and easy.
Yes, sir.
Good appetizer, comes together quick, 30, 45 minutes max.
Hey, and the fact that it's March Madness, too.
Yep, got a lot of basketball games coming.
That's right. A lot of people think that appetizer's over with after the big game, you know. But, you know, a lot of people entertain, you know, for that, what do they call that? The brackets?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I do.
The tournament, yep.
Oh, yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Looking forward to that.
Right. Now, I want you to tell everybody, hey, these are great. We all done had tacos, you know what I mean? This is nothing but an old school taco rolled up, right? Just doesn't have no lettuce, no tomato or nothing like that.
Right.
But tell me what you would do to level that up.
I'd add a little diced onion, maybe some pico de gallo on top, a cheese sauce. You can't have enough cheese, but that sauce right there was delicious too, so can't really go wrong with that.
Hey, yeah. You know what I like about it too? The fact that we put the refried beans in there.
For sure.
You know what I mean? That did it right there. Now listen, folks, you see my nephew, you guys know who he is. I put all his, put his your whole world down in the description. Yeah. Hey, that's the bottom line. Hey, that's what. Hey, you know what? That got me all tied up, but that's what it is. Hey, check him out. Listen, because there's 2 different styles, and you know we got a thing called lava, right? That's LA to VA. You know, everything in between. That's what that stands for. Now, with that being said, listen, I'm not gonna over talk you, folks. I'm finna get out of here, but I want to say, listen, if you're new to my channel, let me take this time to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button, and I want you to beat up on that subscribe button also, right? And I want you guys to tell everybody out there, listen, it's 2 channels out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, I'm out, nephew.